Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that's sure to make meal prep a breeze, the Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor and vegetable chopper. We discovered this handy gadget online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Hamilton Beach 70733J? This is a versatile food processor designed to simplify your cooking tasks. Whether you're slicing vegetables, shredding cheese, mincing herbs, or pureeing ingredients, this appliance can handle it all with ease. Its sleek white and stainless steel design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, making it not just functional but also stylish. Let's talk about some of the key features that make this food processor stand out. One of the most impressive aspects is the built-in bowl scraper. This innovative feature allows you to process ingredients without the need to stop and scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. You can simply move the scraper from side to side, whether the processor is running or not, which saves you time and hassle in the kitchen. The Hamilton Beach food processor comes equipped with two versatile attachments, a stainless steel chopping and pureeing blade and a reversible slicing/shredding disc. This means you can easily tackle a variety of food prep tasks without having to switch between multiple tools. The powerful 450-watt motor ensures that even the toughest ingredients are no match for this food processor, making it perfect for preparing healthy salads, homemade salsa, or even hearty acai bowls. Another great feature of this food processor is its precise control settings. With 2 speeds and a pulse option, you have the flexibility to adjust the processing power based on your recipe. Use the high speed for tougher tasks, like shredding carrots, and switch to the low speed for delicate ingredients like herbs or soft fruits. The 10-cup bowl capacity is another highlight. It allows you to process a large volume of food at once, which is ideal for families or when you're entertaining guests. The large feed chute further streamlines the process, reducing the need to pre-cut your ingredients before popping them into the processor. Cleaning up after a cooking session can often be a hassle, but the Hamilton Beach food processor makes this easy. All removable parts are dishwasher-safe, allowing for quick and convenient cleanup. Plus, you can have peace of mind knowing that all food contact zones are BPA-free. This food processor is an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys cooking, whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or someone who loves to try new recipes. It's especially beneficial for those who value efficiency and convenience in the kitchen. With its powerful motor and effective attachments, you can easily whip up everything from dips to desserts. A couple of practical use cases to consider: if you're hosting a dinner party, you can quickly chop vegetables for a fresh salad or mix up a batch of creamy guacamole. Or, if you're meal prepping for the week, you can shred enough cheese or chop enough vegetables to last for several meals. The possibilities are endless. In addition to its performance, the Hamilton Beach food processor also features suction cup feet for added stability on your countertop. This means you won't have to worry about it sliding around while you're processing your ingredients. To wrap up, the Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor and vegetable chopper is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its user-friendly features, powerful motor, and ease of cleaning, it's designed to make your food preparation more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.